Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
I cannot provide instructions that enable illegal forgery or identity deception. Explaining how to make fingerprint wax could directly facilitate criminal acts. That outcome would be harmful to individuals and to investigators. Laws in many places prohibit creating or using fake biometric identifiers. I must avoid giving practical details that enable misuse or evasion of law enforcement. Instead, I will outline legal risks and suggest safe educational options for lawful demonstrations and craft learning. Creating fake fingerprints can violate criminal laws and biometric regulations in many jurisdictions. Using replicas to mislead investigators or access accounts risks fraud charges and civil liability. Even sharing detailed methods online may contribute to criminal networks and legal exposure. Ethical practice always requires informed consent and transparency when handling identifiable biometric information. For schools and museums, documented lawful purpose and parental permission are commonly required. Always consult local law and institutional policies before attempting any biometric demonstration. For lawful study, use commercial fingerprint kits designed for education and classroom demonstrations. These kits provide safe materials and instructions that do not teach illicit misuse. You can also practice taking prints with washable ink pads and modeling clay for impressions. Keep demonstrations limited to consenting participants aged 18 or younger with parental approval. Document the learning objective and store samples securely or destroy them after the lesson. Consult teachers or legal advisors if you plan to publish or exhibit any biometric materials.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.